In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Google and Facebook Marketplace effectively. Whether you're new to online marketplaces or just looking for some tips to enhance your experience, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with confidence. First, let's start by accessing Facebook Marketplace. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in Facebook Marketplace in the search bar, or simply use keywords like Facebook buy and sell to pinpoint the correct page. This step ensures you're in the right spot to discover products you're interested in or to list items for sale. Being comfortable navigating to Facebook Marketplace is the first essential step in utilizing this powerful platform to its fullest. Once you're on the Facebook Marketplace homepage, your next action is to click on the Highlight section. This area usually features trending items, special promotions, or categories that Facebook wants to emphasize. Clicking here is a great strategy for discovering popular items or finding inspiration if you're unsure of what you're searching for. Couple this exploration with an open mind, and you'll begin to see the vast variety of items available. From unique vintage finds to practical household essentials, this section showcases an eclectic mix of everything Facebook Marketplace has to offer. After exploring the highlights, it's crucial to check the reviews for any item you're interested in. Reviews are an invaluable tool in assessing the reliability of a seller or the quality of an item. Look for any feedback about the seller's reputation, shipping timeliness, and product condition. Feedback from other buyers provides insight into their experiences and can be incredibly helpful in making informed decisions before purchasing. Pay close attention to any repeated issues mentioned, as they could be potential red flags. Ensuring that previous buyers have had positive experiences with a seller or product can save you time and hassle down the line. By following these steps, accessing Facebook Marketplace through Google, exploring the highlighted categories, and diligently reviewing feedback, you'll equip yourself with the skills needed to navigate and succeed on this platform. Remember, buying and selling through online marketplaces such as Facebook not only broadens your reach but also offers a community-oriented approach to commerce. Whether you're hunting for a bargain or trying to declutter, these steps will help make your navigation of Facebook Marketplace a smoother, more rewarding experience. So, dive into Facebook Marketplace with a curious mindset, utilize these techniques, and open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Let your next memorable find or successful sale be just a click away. Happy hunting or selling, and as always, thank you for joining us. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips and effective strategies for engaging with online marketplaces.